How to keep audio messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Messages. You are now in the Messages settings page, where you can customize iMessage, filter senders, and more. Scroll down the page until you find the Audio Messages section. By default, audio messages expire after 2 minutes. Tap on Expire to change this. On this page, change the settings from after 2 minutes to never. Your audio messages will now be saved in your conversation history until you manually delete them. Following these steps, you can easily keep audio messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.